What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another COTPS SMS and day 52 update with my results. First, let's get into my results before I talk about the SMS new information that I did receive from customer service today. Stay to the end of the video to see what that is. And right now we're on day number 51. 52. Yesterday we were at 54.84. I didn't complete the stats. I just put it in and kept it moving. So today is day number 52, and it's not my normal time. It's not 8:30. Right now it's like 7:30, so it's another hour left. But I'll go ahead and do it anyway. Right now, as you can see, the system is still up. The system is still working. It's still producing profits. It's still going strong. So let's go to the transaction page, transaction hall page, to show the results that we have as of this morning. Right now it's 56.89. Let's go ahead and plug that into our statistics page. Statistics page. So 56.89. 56.89 is like another $200 day that we have here. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. I put that in the total earned for the day. So 56.89. Let's go ahead and do the math on the last 2 days since I kind of skipped over. Let me pull up my handy dandy calculator. So as we can see, every day we're gaining. Every day the percentage is kind of getting a little bit bigger and bigger. And let's go and do the math on these two here. So we got 54.84, and we're going to subtract that minus the 52.80. That's going to give us $204, another $200 day for yesterday. And we're going to divide 204 minus the 54.84 to give us the percentage. And we're at 3.71% for yesterday. So 3.71%. And the percentages do go up, they go down, they vary every single day. So you're not going to get 3.6% every day. You may not even get 3% every day. There's days where I got 2%, 2.2, 2.3% when I was just starting out. So it's not going to be exactly the same percentage every single day. And as of now, as I've told most people, I'm not referring anyone to the system as of now, until they get the SMS issue fixed. But I do have some positive news about that. If you stay to the end and see the message that the customer service has sent out. And let's do the second one right here, day number 51. So day number 51 is 56.89. That's minus 54.84, and that comes to a total of 205. So 205 for, put that in the wrong spot again, 205 for the last 24-hour period. And we're going to do the math on that by dividing it by 56.89. That's going to give us 3.60%. So the percentage went down a little bit, but we're still at $200 per day, which I'm still happy with, which means in the next 5 days we'll be plus $1,000 in the account. So that's 3.60% on the day. Now, this system is very easy to use. The system does the work for you. You kind of set up the bots to do the work so you don't have to manually click on the buttons here, which is clicking this every 2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes, whatever that time frame is. As you can see, the money is already in the transaction field. It's not in a wallet balance. And the particular bot that I use, it comes down, and before it does any of the transactions on this page, what it does is it goes to my team page, and it adds in all of that as well before it goes to the home page, and it takes all of the balances together. So it would come right here first, and if there's money here, it would press receive, and it will send that, but it can't receive. That's why this red circle right here with the you can't do it. So right now you can't do it because there's nothing to receive. If I go to level 2, it'll be the same thing. If there's something to receive, it will let the bot will come in, and it will send this to the balance, and then go to level 3, and it would do that until it's done. And then once it's done with that, it would go and it would start doing the transactions on the home page. And that's pretty much how the bot works. It's not hard. It's kind of simple. I'm assuming that's why a lot of people would like the system, and that's why a lot of people are still trying to join the system. But as of now, I'm not sure if anyone is actually referring the system as of now until the SMS issue is resolved. Once it's resolved, or more than likely make a video showing you guys that it is resolved, and we will start referring it once that happens. We'll contact most of you guys that reached out. And again, I do have my number down below. It's just a text only number that I leave in the comment section of pretty much every video. If you want to contact me about the SMS, the COTPS system, or if you want to contact me about any other thing that is talked about on my page, I normally will leave my number in the description. So let's go ahead and see what customer service had to say. Let's see how we're going to do this. I'm going to pull up the disclaimer. You can read that if you like, but it's normally a disclaimer on my page. Oh, first opens up. This is a little bit of a longer disclaimer. You can come back, you can pause it, and read it its entirety if that's what you like to do, but it's just going to be here momentarily until I open up the customer service message. And this is what customer service had to say. See if I can use this to make it bigger for you guys to see. So I didn't actually send them a message. They actually sent. I'm pretty sure they just sent this to everybody. And as you can see right here, the last message that they did send before that one was pretty much the same as the one above. The SMS problem. Magnifying glass is slow. My SMS problem will be resolved. The SMS problem will be resolved within 3 working days. Please be patient. So they're pretty much just saying it's going to be resolved in 3 working days. Please be patient. This is slow, so I'm going to turn this off. Okay. And right here it says the platform has connected with new SMS operators. So I'm assuming they've either got another network that they're working with, or they're going to be using the same network and they've kind of got it working. So now they have people in so many different countries. Now they have to kind of roll it out and get it working in each and every country. I'm not sure if that's how it works. I'm just guessing. I'm thinking that's how it works, but I'm not sure. I'm not really an SMS technician. And SMS in various countries is gradually being restored. Some countries and regions have returned to normal. For members of countries that have not yet been restored, please wait patiently. And if you're in one of those countries that's been returned to normal, please let us know. Please, you can comment down below and make sure you show us that you are on the cotps.com site, not the cotps.cc site or any of these other clone sites out there. That's pretty much it, guys. This is the update that they gave me. This is the update that they probably just a generic one that they sent to everybody, saying that the platform is connected with a new SMS operator, and in some countries it have been restored, and some countries and regions have returned to normal. For the members of other countries that haven't been restored, please wait patiently. And someone also showed the COTPS wallet that they hold the money in is not really. They haven't made any withdrawals. The account is pretty much getting bigger because a lot of people still have their money with the bots that are still working. So the account balance is still getting bigger on the COTPS wallet. So it's not any money leaving their wallets, going to other places or being transferred to other wallets or just disappearing. So that's a good sign. I like the progress. I like what's going on, and I will continue to make my videos whether or not they are here or not. But I'm still going to make this video. I'm still going to complete this positive news. We're looking forward. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.